Hi everyone, welcome to our channel CodeChef. If you are interested in competitive programming and want to learn and master data structures and algorithms, then this is a one-stop destination for you. Every week, we'll post CodeChef problem explanations, conceptual videos on various programming paradigms, and also conduct live problem-solving sessions. But before we get started, here's a reminder to hit the subscribe button if you haven't yet already. Great. Now that you have subscribed, let's get started. Today we will be solving the problem black cells in a chessboard, which is a cakewalk problem and it belongs to the August Starters 9. The problem statement is a very simple, small and very easy one. So we are given a number n and that means this number represents that how many squares are there in a chessboard, which is n into n squares, and mind that n is even here. We just have to determine the number of black cells that will be there in the chessboard. So guys, if n is even and there are n into n squares on a chessboard, then definitely half of them are going to be black squares and the other half of them are going to be the white squares. So it's a very simple problem statement and a very simple solution. So if there are n into n squares on a chessboard, and so if you divide it by 2, then you will get the number of black cells that are there on the chessboard. And this n into n divided by 2 will always give you an even number. So you don't have to worry about the decimals or floor value or anything. So it will just be an integer. So that's it guys. The input format is, so here we don't even have test cases. We will just be given input as a single integer n, and we have to output the number of black cells in an n into n chessboard. So that's it guys. This was the problem and let's see the code. So guys, this is the code in C++. I have taken input as n and I have printed n into n divided by 2. So n into n divided by 2, if you see, I have not used any brackets here. So this expression will first execute n into n because of the precedence in C++, and then it will go to the division part. So we will get our answer, and this is a very simple code. So if you have understood it, then please do like the video, and in case of any doubts or feedback, please post them in the comment section and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you in the next video.